people think, it's one of the fallacies of the psychological paradigm that, or pseudo-psychology, I should say, which is followed a lot by psychologists, but, that you got to dig up all the stories and traumas from your childhood and blah, blah, blah. See, well, nah, you don't. See, now I'm not saying suppress them, ignore them, or anything like that. That's not what I'm saying. What I'm saying is that they're here now. See, they're in your experience right now. You don't have to go anywhere. So you don't have to even remember anything. It's right here. So anything you need to transcend is your experience now. This is the reason why I talk about uncognized mind and not unconscious mind. And one of the reasons for that is because the people with unconscious mind, which was an invention pretty much of Freud, he's the one that popularized it. It's become like the basement or something. You got the unconscious mind down in the basement, and you go down there with the candle and the cobwebs and stuff, and you see what's in there, in that unconscious mind. And this is kind of like the picture people have, whatever, of something. It's like, perhaps not that, but, something else. And that to me is a mistake. And the mistake is that what's in your so-called unconscious mind, or what I call uncognized mind, which means unrecognized mind, the aspects of mind, and let's drop mind right now and say the aspects of experience that you're having is occurring right now, see, in your experience. It's not elsewhere. It dominates your experience. You cannot have, we've talked about things going on, right, with you guys. Your experience cannot be that way without that being there. So you can't work hard to ignore something if it's not there, for example. You can't work hard to resolve something if it's not there. You can't work to suppress something if it's not, to, whatever, what I'm saying, to express, whatever you do, however you do it, if it's not there. See, it's part of your experience. You just don't recognize it. That's all. See? And so then I invite you to recognize it. And if you're trying to base everything on your history, you will not recognize it. Because a lot of stuff are also, like I said, these assumptions you have about yourself, which may well not be found in your history, and probably aren't really found in your story.
Hi, I'm Brendan Lee, and I've been studying with Peter Ralston for 20 years. I really want you to know that no matter how many videos you watch or books you read, it pales in comparison to the power of the live workshops that we host here at the center or on Zoom. If you want to get serious and do work that makes a real difference, please check the links in the description to learn more. Thank you.